What up, you degenerate motherfuckers? I'm back for your broke ass. Time to make some gains, boy. Market's been super hot lately, and it's going to continue to be hot. I'm not saying I'm selling, but shit's getting real hot right now, and we're going to have a look to see what's around the corner. Because let us go to the charts. So, Bitcoin on the monthly, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're on our 7th monthly green consecutive candle. Be careful. Every time we've seen 6 or more consecutive green monthly candles, it usually spells the end. So if you look back here, 2020, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then we get 3 consecutive months of red. If we go back over here, 2019, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green monthly candles, followed by over a year of just sideways and a massive capitulation. And we go back here, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green consecutive monthly candles in 2017, followed by a red, followed by 2 more for the blow off top. So I'm not saying that we're going to get a red March or a red April. On the contrary, I think we're actually going to go even higher than we are right now. But what I'm saying is use caution, tread carefully, because at any moment's notice, this market can go upside down and leave you crying in the fetal position. And trust me, you don't be crying in the fetal position in crypto. This red line, Bitcoin halving next month, sometime in April. I actually think it's 420. And we've never had a massive run up like this before the Bitcoin halving. This is an anomaly in the charts. This has not really happened before. It's uncharted territories, you can even say. So what happens after the Bitcoin halving? Well, who knows? I mean, there's a few scenarios that could play out. We could have a sell the news event. We could just keep blasting higher to new all-time highs. But, 7 consecutive green monthly candles now. I mean, we're getting closer to a top than we are a bottom, that's for sure. The time to be buying crypto for the most optimum returns was last year, 2023, on this big capitulation candle, where we pretty much went sideways for half the year. And then last year when we just kind of grinded up higher slowly, when no one was really paying attention. That was the time to get into crypto. Now, we're trading in uncharted territory, so just be careful. Let's have a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum's looking very strong as well. We're up at about $3,850. Still hasn't reached its all-time high yet, but Bitcoin's already surpassed its all-time high. The next logical bet is for Ethereum to take out its new all-time high. So we're just waiting on that. And if we go over to the ETH BTC pair, where we combine these two assets and see who is outperforming the other, we can see that ETH BTC is very close to this downsloping trend line, where Bitcoin has just been destroying Ethereum throughout the last, about 2 years. But we've seemed to hit a floor around this 0.51 Satoshi range, and we've actually made a high low, 2 high lows. And if we can break above this 0.061 region, and it's pretty much blue skies for Ethereum right there. And if we do see Ethereum start to outperform Bitcoin, it's a very telling tale for the rest of the crypto market. It's going to have a massive run. And we're talking about massive run in the altcoins. So how do we track the progression of the altcoins? I want to introduce you to a new chart that I've been looking at called Others. Basically, you go into TradingView, type in OTHERS, Others. So total crypto market cap excluding the top 10 coins. So this is giving you the accumulation of value within the non-top 10 crypto coins. So everything from rank 11 downwards. And you can see it's not quite at all-time highs yet. All-time highs was at about 485 billion. We're only sitting about that 328 billion, but you can see we've met a bit of resistance here. But if ETH continues to outperform Bitcoin from here, you can definitely see this coming back up there, which means, altcoins are going to have a massive run up. This has already been running still, like the whole time. I mean, from the bottom, about the bottom, you can see it's just been, what are we sitting at now? So that's a 300% gain in the Others index. If people tell you that we're not already in altcoin season and altcoin season hasn't even arrived yet and we're just starting up and we're just heating up, I don't think so. The chart says otherwise. It's been running up since June. Literally this low over here. That June low was when Gary Gensler of the SEC had come out and pretty much said everything was a security in crypto. You know, Solana, Matic, Cardano, everything just tanked off that red candle there. But from there, literally was up only 300%. But that's what I'm looking at in terms of BTC, ETH, and the altcoins. Expect a big run up, but also keep in the back of your mind that this could end at any second with no notice at all, no warning. Let's have a look at the altcoins, the bubbles. You can see Pepe, Dog with Hat, Shib, Floki. All the meme coins, Doge, have had an incredible run in the last month. I mean, meme coins are just so popular these days, and the charts definitely say. I mean, that's insane. 743%, 703%. These are incredible gains for literally a dog with a hat. Guys, a dog with a hat, bro. Come on. Oh, crypto's so ridiculous, man. I love it. I love it, though. I love it. Where else are you going to get 8x on your money where you put your money in the future of finance? Dog with a hat. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Or don't hate the game. Just learn to be good at the game so you can actually capitalize and make money in the game. So where do we go from here? Using past historical data, crypto usually tops out 12 to 18 months after the Bitcoin halving, which the Bitcoin halving is in April of 2024. So we're looking at about April of 2025 till about that October of 2025 area. So I don't know what kind of cycle we're going to have, if we're going to have a left translated or a right translated or just a normal cycle. But one thing to call out is if BTC does reach this 80K area, then, you know, you want to be looking maybe to shave some profits off of, you know, some of your coins, because at that stage, you know, everyone's going to be expecting 100K. Now with Bitcoin, we could totally be starting to see the formation of a local top here at $70,000. I mean, it is the previous all-time high resistance, but, you know, Bitcoin's very notorious for just blasting through ceilings. So honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if it just keeps pumping 70 to 80 to 90. Like it's with the ETF inflows, it's not out of the ordinary for BTC to start pumping even more like that. We'll definitely start to hit that euphoria stage if that does happen. If Bitcoin is done moving and kind of just takes a chill pill here and kind of drifts off sideways for a while, then, you know, the next logical thing is Ethereum will start to outperform, and you'll see it in the ETH BTC chart. So definitely keep eyes on that. Talking about Ethereum in general, I mean, ETH to me is a great hold up until the US comes out with a spot ETF, just like they did for Bitcoin. I mean, we've seen the results of what happened with the Bitcoin ETF. So, and, you know, it's a very realistic chance that Wall Street does come out. BlackRock's probably going to file for an Ethereum ETF as well. So, I mean, holding until that actually comes out. And, you know, if it does eventually come out, that might even mark the top. We might even see ETH levels like 12,000, 15,000, 20,000. I mean, anything's possible. Anything's on the card right now. The Bitcoin has gone up so much, and it has winded back the slingshot for the rest of the market. And I think we're going to see some crazy gains very soon. But let's see. Just keep it at the back of your mind that this could all end tomorrow. Also, another thing to keep in mind, the US Federal Reserve, which is the Central Bank of America, the market has priced in a 60% chance of an interest rate cut in June of this year. So we're talking April, May. So about 2 to 3 months, right? If they do in fact cut in June, that could also signify the top of the market. And you're probably saying, but interest rate cuts is bullish. No. Look back in history, 9 times out of 10, interest rate cuts after a period of consecutive hiking is extremely bearish. It usually means something's broken in the system and we're probably in a recession. So June 2024, keep an eye out for that date. Keep an eye out on what the United States Federal Reserve is doing, if they hold rates or cut rates. And for us in Australia, we're pretty much the puppets of America. So we're just going to follow whatever the United States Federal Reserve is doing in terms of what the RBA is thinking. So, but that usually signifies that something's definitely wrong in the system. Anyways, that's it for today. Like, subscribe, share, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.